I was diagnosed to have end-stage renal disease in Louisville, Kentucky. I started dialysis at the University of Louisville Dialysis Center. The patients were obligated to hold their access themselves after being taken off the machine. A couple of years later, American Renal Associates took over the management of the center. Same as the previous management, we held our access ourselves. And while it's stabilized after getting off the machine. Now, typical of the old and sick, I started to have problems with my hands. I developed a cyst or a lump at the base of my ring finger, so that my hands can't hold too tight, and the danger there is that it could bleed if I don't hold the access tight enough. But despite the danger, I had to hold my access myself, continue holding it myself. There was no other option. Then I went home to the Philippines, and there I was assigned at the B. Brown Renal Care Center in Las Piñas City. There are no techs there. They're all nurses. I did not have to hold my access there. The nurses sit down beside the patients and hold the access themselves for the patients until the patient's ready to go. Then I moved to California, and I was surprised when the tech gave me a choice at the end of the treatment. He said, "Do you hold or do you use clamp?" And I thought, what's a clamp? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button.